Today we're at William T. Dwyer High School and we're celebrating Veterans Day. We're having a mystery box challenge with our culinary program, who has partnered with the JROTC program. One of the things in the mystery box is an MRE, so the students have to incorporate the ingredients in the MRE and come up with an item.
Starches, you have a dry pantry over here. We have eggs, we have milk, we have cream.
Chef Eric Schlossberg, who is the culinary instructor here at William T. Dwyer High School, he put this awesome program together with the veterans in the area, and it's a great opportunity for our students in the culinary program to work in conjunction with the local veterans in the area.
I learned from the veterans that, teamwork basically. They did a lot of teamwork and helped us out.
I think it's important for our culinary program students and all of our CTE program students that they come together in great opportunities like this to put their learning to use. Great teamwork and leadership skills are put to use in these competitions.
It was very exciting, stressing. Everyone's running around the place. It was very chaotic, but we got everything done. Very proud of our dish and everything that happened.
Our culinary programs are phenomenal programs for our students. If they choose not to go out into industry, they still have valuable skills that they can use to take with them on into college or other career programs or use at home.